If you want to make your Gamma presentations look more professional and easier to follow, adding a code block is one of the best things you can do. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a code block in Gamma app step by step, so you can display snippets, examples, commands, or anything else in a clean and readable format. This is perfect for tutorials, product demos, technical presentations, and any project where you want your code to stand out clearly inside a card. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Gamma project and go to the presentation or document where you want to add the code. Once you're inside your project, look for the card where you want the code block to appear. This is important because Gamma organizes content into cards, so you need to place the code exactly where you want it to show up. Click inside that card to start editing it. As soon as the card is active, look for the plus button or the insert menu. This is usually the tool you use to add new elements inside a Gamma card. Click that plus button, and Gamma will show you a list of content types you can insert. From there, look for an option called Code or Code Block. Depending on the version of Gamma you're using, the label may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. Select the Code option, and Gamma will create a code area inside the card. Now all you need to do is paste your code into the block. You can paste anything you want to display clearly, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, SQL, or even a simple command snippet. After pasting your code, take a moment to check the formatting. Make sure the indentation looks correct, the lines are readable, and nothing has been cut off or displayed awkwardly. This step matters because clean formatting helps your audience understand the code much faster. If Gamma gives you syntax highlighting, that can make the code even easier to read. If you need to, you can adjust the content around the code block so the overall card still looks balanced and professional. A good presentation layout makes a big difference when you're sharing technical information. Once everything looks right, save your project or continue editing the rest of your Gamma deck. And that's it. You've now added a code block in Gamma app. It's a simple process, but it can make your content look much more polished and organized. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.